Today we're cooking something special. This time I did not burn the rice. Today we're going to be cooking chicken fried rice, and the drink of the day is Arnold Palmer. For those that don't know what Arnold Palmer drink is, it's lemonade and iced tea mixer-uppy. That's it. No alcohol. Tú sabes. Are you ready? I'm ready. My beer? I think it's ready. Let's cook her uppy. For those that don't know what Arnold Palmer means, it's tea with lemonade mixer-uppy. Today we're cooking chicken fried rice, and the drink of the day is Arnold Palmer. For those that don't know what Arnold Palmer is, lemonade, iced tea, mixer-uppy, no alcohol. Are you ready? I'm ready. My beer? I think it's ready. Tú sabes.
Alright, I went to my favorite store, Albertsons, and I got some chicken thighs. I made some rice that morning, so it's about 6 hours old. I went to Albertsons and bought myself some eggs. They were pretty expensive, tú sabes. Instead of cutting up vegetables, you can just get the frozen pack. Couple bucks, no big deal. They work perfectly. Now I'm going to give you some top secret stuff. Put some sesame oil on it. Believe me, it works. Don't put no regular soy sauce. Put some oyster sauce, baby. Oyster sauce, yeah. You'll need 1 clove of garlic. Not the whole thing, just 1 little clover. Tú sabes. Now I'm cutting up my chicken thigh after I washed it and cleaned it. You put it in a bowl and salt and pepper. You do a little teaspoon of paprika. Let's say it all together. Paprika. 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and then you do a teaspoon of garlic powder. Those are my favorite 3 ingredients, with the salt and pepper, of course. You put it in the bowl, you mix her uppy. So my wife bought me a new electric griddle, and before I start cooking, I need to wash it, clean it, and season it with a little bit of oil before I start cooking anything. You're going to want to add 2 to 3 thin layers of oil, let it burn, and after that, you're good to go. Now you're ready to cook. Get a little garlic in there, a little oil. I wanted to share with you my cameras and lights setup. I got 2 lights and 3 cameras. The 3rd camera is pointing at myself. It's a little dark, but because I'm not the star of the show, it's the food. All the lights pointing at the food. I'm starting off with the chicken. Chicken takes a little longer to cook. I only cook it halfways. Once I cook it halfways, I put it to the side on the lower temperature. Anyone that loves cooking like myself should get themselves a electric griddle. They're so awesome and so easy to clean, and you don't have to go outside. So I'm putting a little oil, olive oil. So now it's time for the frozen vegetables. Believe me, I'm not a frozen kind of guy, but let me tell you something. These vegetables are pretty good and very easy to cook. While the chicken is cooking over there on the side slowly, I'm doing the vegetables where it's very hot, right in the middle, right there. That's right, yeah, right there. You only want to cook the vegetables a couple minutes and then put it on the side, just like that. Now it's time for the eggs. Little butter. Now you get a couple eggs. Beat her uppy, and you're ready to go. Now I'm starting to use spatula with both hands. Look at that. Yeah. Once you cook your egg 60-70%, then you put it to the side, just like the vegetables and just like the chicken. Once you get the rice cooking, like I'm doing now, you know what? I'm just going to put the whole thing in there. Once you start cooking your rice, you want to add the oyster sauce and make sure it's open before you start filming. Just because you added a little sauce doesn't mean it's been cooked. You need to fry it a little bit, cook it. Then you want to add some sesame oil and have it ready before you start filming. The sesame oil and the oyster sauce give it a delicious kick. Está bien bueno. You have to love what you're doing if you want to enjoy life. If you don't like cooking, and if you're angry all the time, if it's too hot for you, get out of the kitchen. Now you invite everyone to the party, get everybody together, mixer-uppy, and the rest, my friend, is history. Look at how beautiful that looks. Tasty. Oh my God. Believe me, it tastes like it looks. Now it's time for a little taster-uppy. Perfect.
It's good stuff. It's my first time. Chicken, the vegetables you can get frozen, no problem. Get a couple eggs. Come on, less than 15 bucks. Arnold Palmer, $2. Come on, it's good stuff. Oh, look at this. Oh. I like to put ketchup on mine. Arnold Palmer, baby. Life is too short. We're only here on this planet. Did I just spit some rice? We're only here on this planet a short period of time, so make the best of it. Who knows what could happen tomorrow? Live in the present moment. Stop thinking about your past and stop thinking about 10 years from now. Think about today, right now. Think about the present, your loved ones. Be grateful for what you have. Gratitude. Gratitude is the key to happiness. If you're happy for what you have now, imagine how happy you're going to be when you get more. Stop wanting more. Be grateful for what you have now. If I can cook this, imagine what you can do. Never give up. Keep moving forward. Remove yourself from negativity, especially in the workplace. Believe me, I know. That oyster sauce makes a difference. Don't put regular soy sauce. Wanted to show you the other camera angle. I know it was a little bit dark, but just want you to see what I'm working with, the lights, the cameras, and look at what happens. Turns out pretty good. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, hit all the buttons, comment below, give me a tú sabes. Just type in tú sabes. Tú sabes? Don't forget to join my Tú Sabes community on Facebook. It's on the description below. Join us. Let's enjoy life. Thank you for your support. We're in this together. I want to say thank you to my daughter and my wife for supporting me. After I finish here, my daughter is going to wash the dishes. No. No.